Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's lecture, I am solving an important question from 11th class Maths chapter 11 for entry test. So, question is in an equilateral triangle R1 ratio R. Find R1 ratio capital R ratio R. We know that capital R is radius of circumcircle and small r is radius of encircle or inscribed circle, and R1 is radius of ascribed or E circle opposite to side A. So, we know that formula for R1 is del divided by S minus A. Formula of circum radius is ABC divided by 4 into area, and formula for R is area divided by S. So, first we find area. So, area is equal to S under root Hero formula. So, in Hero formula S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. This is equilateral triangle. So, all sides are equal, A plus A divided by 2. So, S is equal to 3A divided by 2. So, area is equal to under the root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So, area is equal to under the root S is equal to 3A divided by 2 into 3A by 2 minus A into 3A by 2 minus A. Equilateral triangle A is equal to A into 3A by 2 minus A. So, area is equal to under the root 3A by 2 multiply by 3A by 2 minus A is equal to LCM is 2. So, 3A minus 2A is equal to A by 2. Similarly, 3A by 2 minus A is A by 2 into A by 2. So, area is equal to 3A4 A multiply by A multiply by A multiply by A is A power 4 into 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So, area is equal to under the root 3 A square divided by 4. This is area. Now, we can find R1. So, R1 is equal to area, formula is under the root 3 A square divided by 4 divided by S minus A. S is equal to 3A by 2 minus A. So, R1 is equal to under the root 3 A square by 4 divided by 3A by 2 minus A is equal to A by 2. So, R1 is equal to under the root 3 A square by 4, and double division this is 2 by A. So, 1A is cancelled with 1A, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So, R1 is equal to under the root 3 A divided by 2. R1 is equal to under the root 3A by 2. Now, we find R A B C divided by 4 into area. A B is equal to A equilateral triangle and C is equal to A for equilateral triangle divided by 4 into area is equal to under the root 3 A square divided by 4. This 4 is cancelled with this 4, A square is cancelled with 2A. So, R is equal to A divided by under the root 3. Similarly, small r is equal to area divided by S. Area is equal to under the root 3 A square divided by 4, and S is equal to 3A by 2. 3A divided by 2. So, R is equal to under the root 3 A square divided by 4 multiply by 2 divided by 3A. So, I can write this 3 is under the root 3 multiplied by under the root 3. So r is equal to under the root 3 is cancelled with this, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1a is cancelled with 1a. So r is equal to a divided by 2 into under the root 3. R is equal to a divided by under the root. So r1 ratio r, so r1 ratio r is equal to r1 is equal to under the root 3a divided by 2 ratio capital R is equal to a divided by under the root 3 and small r is equal to a divided by 2 into under the root 3, a divided by 2 into under the root 3. So now I can simplify this by multiplying 2 into under the root, multiply by 2 into under the root 3, 2 into under the root 3, multiply this by 2 into under the root 3, 2 is cancelled with 2, under the root 3 and under the root 3 is equal to 3a ratio, multiply by this by 2 into under the root 3, so under the root 3 will be cancelled with under root 3 which is equal to 2a, and ratio multiply by 2 into under the root 3, so 2 into under the root 3 will be cancelled with this. Now multiply each by a which is equal to a cancel, so which is equal to 3 ratio 2 ratio 1. So correct option is 3 ratio 2 ratio 1, which is option number D, and hence question is solved. So for more important lectures and important MCQs, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.